Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So me and Sophie have been getting ready this morning. We actually filmed us getting ready with us.
Getting ready with us.
For my main channel. Oh, it looks lovely out there. It looks really sunny today instead of yesterday. Oh, okay, we're heading down to breakfast. Ting ting ting.
No, is that?
Okay.
Going down.
Yeah, we're heading down. Going down.
Oh.
Yeah, we're going down for breakfast. I'm in my Summer in the City top with no bra on.
I'm wearing a bra and I'm dressed.
Yeah, I need to sort my outfit out when I get back upstairs, but I'm excited for food because Sophie's been bigging it up.
Yeah, it better be good here. I'm scared.
Oh, what am I doing? A scenic shot, or I'm just?
I don't know.
Right, so me and Sophie are getting breakfast now. I've gone for this little berry smoothie, which is so cute. We're on a marble table as well. I've got a cup of tea, some pastries, a cake, loving life.
Apple juice, some croissants.
The best type of juice.
Strawberry jam. A chocolate muffin and some ham. And then I'm going to go for a fry apart.
Yeah, I think I'm going to get some cereal or toast afterwards.
Yeah.
Yum. Okay, so we are all ready to go. I've just sorted my outfit out. Sophie will probably help me do an outfit of the day, maybe when we go into that nice area. We just took some photos in there at the end of the corridor because the lighting is so good.
It is, it's amazing.
We just had some food, some breakfast. How good was it?
Very.
It was amazing, and it's all like very Instagrammable, isn't it?
Yeah,
like
the
all
marble tables,
all of the plants, and just the decoration in there, and there was just so much to choose from. I'm buzzing for tomorrow's brekkie.
There was muffins.
Oh, we stole 2 muffins. Yeah. So we could have them later tonight. Good. We need to find a supermarket or like a little mini shop for food later because we want to get little snacky bits as well as like dinner. Yeah. We might even go out for dinner. I don't really know what the plan is for later. No. But we'll find that out soon. Anything else? No,
we're on our way.
We're just on our way, and fingers crossed we'll make, what time is it?
Oh, my purse.
It's 11:38. Will we make Imogen's thing? Yes, maybe. 20 minutes.
Just about.
Yeah, we're going to go try and get there for 12 o'clock, which is in 20 minutes, because Imogen has a bullying and harassment online panel at the fashion and beauty stage. Or maybe, oh no, I think it must be at like one of the panel rooms. So yeah, let's go and find out what's going on. So outfit of the day, my headband's from River Island. My little bandeau here is from Pretty Little Thing. My jeans are the wide crop from Primark. Shoes are Misguided, the little sliders that I always wear. And that's it, isn't it? Is that all I'm wearing? Yeah, and
Summer in the...
Oh, her little Summer in the City cute bands as an accessory.
Yes. And your ring?
Oh, ring is Swarovski. And my necklace is Steph jewellery. Let's go! So me and Sophie here for day 2. We're just about to go walk to the panel, and fingers crossed there's still some space because we never know now because there's lots of people here. Look at this!
It's so
as soon as you come in, no, as in look at how dark it is.
I know.
It's like it's fucking shit in here.
I don't get that though because the other room is really bright.
I just don't see why that they haven't sorted the lighting out in these 10 years. We're in the city, you know. watched Imogen like talk about bullying and harassment. She actually made me cry, to be honest, because I don't know, I just get with them sort of things, I'm just so emotional anyway. And now we're there with Chloe again, she's here. I'll talk a little bit more about the panel later, but we're at the McDonald's stand, which has just opened for the weekend, and we're just about to get free McFlurry. I was like, woo!
You're the only visible person.
I look terrified. That looks good. Yeah. If it's okay, we can't see this because my autofocus isn't working, but we've got a token for the McDonald's thing. Caramel, please. Thank you. Should we take a photo, like by the van here? Woohoo! So we're just sort of having a bit of a wander around. As you can see behind me, it is so much busier than yesterday. Like there's so many people here because a lot of people who just view content come on the weekend day. So it's literally full of people. But this year they've actually made the hall a lot bigger.
Yeah,
so it's
laid out to look bigger.
Yeah, like, it does look big. I think it is.
Yeah.
I feel like it is anyway.
Yeah, it seems it. I think they've taken another room, like this room. I don't think we had. Yeah. I feel like it was cut off here before.
Yeah, sort of just wandering around now, seeing what we haven't done yet, and curious to see who's at their little merch stands. We've just been to a panel called, what was it, Creating a Career online, and it was actually really interesting. Like, found some new creators that I actually don't watch. Like, I don't watch any of those. We're going to go find some food now because I'm starving and I feel like so yeah, we're just trekking all the way to the other side of the XL and Alpha Food, and also here's Jack, mate, and Jacob. Hey guys, so me and Sophie are back at the hotel now. I don't remember the last time I vlogged. I think it was just as we were going to get some food at Tesco. We literally had a nightmare basically. We just went the wrong way and it took us a while to get to Tesco, and then on the way back we were like swarmed with loads of random people because there was a conference going on in the XL, and it just took a while to get back. And since we've just been chilling, like watching videos on YouTube, some people that we met today, and just some random bits and bobs. Oh, what was that channel called that I really liked? A-Dubs. She's got like 1 million subscribers, so a lot of you probably will know her, but was she American? Yeah, an American YouTuber. She's hilarious. We watched her hidden camera videos, the one where she pretends to be an Uber driver and had a musical theatre student, and they did lots of like singing vids, and it was just really funny. We've just been chilling here, and now we're gonna go order some food. I think we're gonna go on Uber Eats and get a McDonald's. Teehee. It's okay because it's Summer in the City weekend. We can do what we want. We've had a good day today, and tomorrow should be different because I've got them things on at the University of Lincoln stand. So hopefully that goes well. I'm a tiny bit nervous, I guess, but just sort of talking about my life and why I'm at uni and things like that, I guess. So nothing to worry about really. But yeah, we're just sort of having a nice chilled night in. What time is it now? It's just about to turn 8 o'clock, so woohoo. And Sophie's in the toilet at the minute. That's why she's not with me. Sad times. Lightroom's downloaded. Woo! We don't speak our language. It's this
this is our current setup.
YOLO. Living our best lives.
Living life.
With the yellow lighting.
To the fullest. Oh, pyjamas, that's what I was over here for. Oh, I might wear... No, I'll save them until tomorrow.
Are we doing photos in the morning, did you say? We'll have a look at the book clip for tomorrow.
Yeah.
What time we wake up? Thank you. 10 or something. For like a couple hours, then come back.
Whole boobs just came out.
Did it? Yeah. Oh, I saw True Geordie today. I was well buzzing about that because I always rave about him. If you follow my Instagram, you'll always see me watching his podcasts. So I was buzzing when I just saw him in real life. I was like, ha ha ha. We saw Jackmate as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we saw Jackmate. He had like a massive queue for hours, didn't he? He had a massive queue for hours.
Ow.
Back
yeah, for the whole time we were there actually.
For the whole time
very good
we were
at
there.
this. Something just touched my throat.
Oh my god.
Is it your foot?
What's that? What? It's recorded! Fuck! That actually terrified me, I don't like it!
Something just touched my foot!
No, what if it's a spider? Right. Me and Sophie are going to go to bed now. We've had our food, just been chilling. Looking forward to tomorrow.
Oh dear, I've got my hair up. Let me give myself some hair.
Doing different bits and bobs to Moz. So I'm excited to vlog the stand tomorrow. Should be interesting, a little bit different from these vlogs.
What was that?
These nuts.
These nuts.
Got him. It was a vine.
Oh.
These nuts. Got him. Anyway, little thumbs up if you enjoyed this vlog. Subscribe down below if you're new. Make sure you go check out Sophie's social media or something.
Yeah, just
she's just revamping her YouTube channel,
currently.
So make sure to
feeling
go subscribe.
inspired.
Yeah, feeling inspired by this event.
Yeah,
which is great because it's also inspired me. Oh yeah, might as well ask you guys while I'm here. If you have any like topics that not a lot of people on YouTube talk about, please comment them because I want to start doing like whole videos on. I've got one on body positivity and confidence coming up, but I want to do even more like intimate subjects that not many people talk about, like sex, relationships, mental health, and like properly going into it and everything, and just other bits and bobs that not a lot of people talk about, because I'll be happy to do that. And I feel like it's so important to talk about those things because they shouldn't be like taboo subjects. They should be spoken about, and people shouldn't feel worried about approaching others like to talk about it. So yeah, I want to start doing more stuff like that. Sophie's revamping her channel and sorting out what she's going to be doing soon. And yeah,
an idea.
Good vibes, good vibes. Thank you very much for watching this vlog, and I will see you tomorrow for the last day of summer in the city. Bye! You gonna say bye?
Bye!
Bye!
Bye.